So we have been asked to draw 3 sine of 2x. Should be getting good at the amplitude. That's 3, so I'm going to stretch this thing up. It's going to go higher, up to 3 and down to -3. And we've also identified that the period will be 2 pi over b, where b is equal to 2. So what that means is my period is 2 pi divided by 2, or pi. So I need to be all done in pi, not 2 pi. So what I'm going to do, this is going to be kind of a cheater way to do this, but I'm going to draw the sine curve. 0, 1, 0, -1. And then I'm going to stretch it up to 3 and down to -3. And I'm going to erase the original just so that I can see what I'm looking at. If this were the normal sine curve, we'd be 0, pi, and 2 pi. But we just said our period needed to be pi, so I'm going to erase the 2 and say this is really pi instead of 2 pi. Halfway between 0 and pi on our unit circle, halfway. If I was going to go here, then to there, halfway would be pi over 2. Half of that is pi over 4, and this next piece would be right here, 3 pi over 4 on your unit circle. We have just done an amplitude and a period change. The period isn't 2, but the period is equal to 2 pi divided by that 2, or pi.